I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the file and confirming its current format. This matters because color profiles and transparency behave differently. Once you have the editor open, make sure you work on a copy so the original stays intact. If the image has layers or transparency, flatten or handle them now. JPEG does not support alpha. You'll set resolution and quality later, so for now focus on getting the correct file open and verifying color space. sRGB is the safest choice. Once the file is open and backed up, flatten layers and convert to sRGB so colors remain consistent across devices. Next, set the resolution and choose a quality setting. Higher quality keeps detail but increases file size, so aim for 70–90% for web use. Then use Export or Save As, pick JPEG, and name the file. Make sure to check any quality or compression sliders and preview artifacts. Adjust quality if you see banding or noise before finalizing the save. After saving, open the exported JPG to inspect for color shifts, compression artifacts, and loss of sharpness. Compare it side by side with the original. If you spot quality loss, re-export with a higher quality setting or tweak sharpening before saving. For multiple images, automate with batch export or a simple script to save time. If things go wrong, check that you flattened layers and converted color space correctly. If issues persist, reopen the original and repeat with adjusted quality or a different converter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.